I have with me Fred Lamb from Vancouver. Beautiful. Nominated for Entrepreneur of the Year. This dude right here, okay, is an e-commerce specialist. He's going to show you what you need to do with your website, how to conduct your business, which I made a huge mistake with for years, not using it correctly.
Mr. Fred Lamb! And the only thing that is really holding every single one of your back right now is simply procrastination and not taking action. Take action on everything that you are learning towards in my business or in any else. A program which really allows anyone, literally anyone, if you've gone through it, you can actually start generating sales online, even if you've never have done so. I actually never shared this presentation with anyone before. Not even my members, not even my elites. You guys are definitely in for a real treat.